just like the old ones were controlled via the Bluetooth. If you want to get a quick tutorial on this, everybody remember those digital displays on the echelons? Okay, I'm 10 years in. I still don't know how to work those. I learned this in about 2 minutes. This is way more intuitive. So to start this thing, you just hold this button down for 4 seconds. Now we're started. So now we're reading temperatures. We're 70 degrees inside, 71 degrees on the probe. If I want to start this thing, I press the set button and then the up button to start messing with temperature. So now we're going to cook at 490. This is not going to start. This has a showroom kit in it that cuts off power to the heating elements. You can absolutely get that for your customers where they won't accidentally burn anything down. If I want to mess with the probe, I hit the set button and I hit the down button. Now I'm setting the probe. And then I'd hit set again. And then if I want to remember what I set the temperature of the grill at, I'll just hit set again and the up button again, and it remembers we're at 490 degrees. So, there's also a timer function here. Oh, set, sorry. With the timer function, I press timer, set it for, let's say, 2 minutes, press timer again. Now the timer's running in the background. If I want to see, once this goes away, if I want to see how much time is left on my timer, all I have to do is press the timer button. 1 minute, 49 seconds. That'll go away in about 10 seconds. The other side over here, we can then come over and turn this element on. Now we're running, so that you can run those both independently. You don't have to turn that one on if you don't want to. You don't have to turn this one on if you don't want to. You have to turn the elements on from the grill. We have a Bluetooth app, we have Bluetooth control. You can turn it up and down, you can turn it off, you can check your temperature, you can turn your probes up and down, but you can't turn it on. That's a safety feature. You have to be here to turn it on. Additionally, after about 20 minutes, the touch screen will turn off. The grill is still on, the touch screen has turned itself off. All you have to do is come back and brush your hand across it, the touch screen will come back on. After 2 hours, the whole system will shut down. The whole system turns itself off as a safety feature. However, if you came out here at 20 minutes and brushed your hand across it, that reset the timer. So our president, Dominic, was telling us he did a 14-hour brisket cook on this thing. So he had to come out every 2 hours or so and touch that grill to make sure it was still running. But he cooked a whole brisket on this electric grill. That's not something you're going to see a lot of. Very hardy. He showed us a video where he literally dumped grease and lard and fat on it and lit it on fire. He has had it out in his sprinklers for 6 months. They took it into the factory, took it into the lab. Everything inside was working great. We are real big fans of this black glass touchscreen. The black glass fronts are going to do a great job of protecting the valves and the electronics from the elements, especially once you get to the grills. Compared to the old digital displays, this black glass front is going to do a lot more protection. So, on the app that you have, you can run this electric grill, you can monitor your echelon grill, and then pretty soon we're going to learn that you can also operate your pizza oven. That's a really cool feature that's new for this year. So any questions on the electric grill?